These are Dover elevators with rare buttons. Motor. God, damn, I can't focus in here. There's like 2 lights working in here. It's dark. Ooh, that's bright. Let me ring that bell real quick. Actually, these are ThyssenKrupp elevators. Yep. ThyssenKrupp. P is locked. Wow, that is not California, or that's not ADA compliant at all. Look how high up it is. Too bad you guys can't see it in the camera, but that's like to my chest. Yeah, that's high up. Way too high. Oh, there's a card reader for probably P. This one's hydraulic, and the other 2 are traction, which is interesting.